Good morning, my dear friends. Last class we are discussing solving of system of equations by using the matrix method. We already did two questions. So today I am going to discuss from third question, and the question is solve the given system of equations by using matrix method. And the first equation is 3x minus 2y plus 3z is equals to 8. Second equation is 2x plus y minus z is equals to 1, and the third equation is 4x minus 3y plus 2z is equals to 4. Let's start the solution. So given system of equations can be written as Ax is equals to b, where A is a coefficient matrix in which the first row consists the coefficients of x, y and z in the first equation, and which are given by 3, minus 2, 3, and the second row consists coefficients of x, y, z in second equation, and which are given by 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, and the third row consists coefficients of x, y, z in third equation, which are given by 4, minus 3, 2, 4, minus 3, 2, and the matrix B is a column matrix which consists the elements 8, 1, 4. So 8, 1, 4, and the matrix X is unknown column matrix, and the elements of the matrix X are x, y and z. X, y, z. Now the determinant of matrix A is equals to determinant of 3, minus 2, 3, 2, 1, minus 1, and 4, minus 3, 2, which is equals to 3 into, deleting first row first column, 1 into 2, 2, minus 3 into minus 1, plus 3. Next, here plus, minus, plus, so minus into minus 2, plus 2, into, deleting first row second column, 2 into 2, 4, minus, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, minus into minus, plus 4, then plus 3 into, deleting first row third column, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus 4 into 1, 4, which is equals to 3 into 2 minus 3 is minus 1, plus 2 into 4 plus 4, 8, plus 3 into minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10, which is equals to 3 into minus 1, minus 3, plus 2 into 8, 16, plus into minus, minus 3 into 10, 30. So minus 3, minus 30, minus 33, minus 33 plus 16, minus 17, and which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Minus 17 is the value of determinant of the matrix A. So now we need to find out the matrix A inverse. We know that A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A matrix. So we already find the determinant value of the matrix A, which is equals to minus 17. Now we need to find the adjoint of the matrix A, which is given by first column A11, A12, A13, and the second column is A21, A22 and A23, and the third column is A31, A32 and A33. Now we need to find out the values of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 and A31, A32, A33. the value of A11, 1 plus 1 is even, no need to multiply by minus, and A11 is obtained by deleting the first row, first column. We already find it, that is what, minus 1. The value of A11 is minus 1, and then A12, 1 plus 2 is odd, that's why we need to multiply by minus, and the value of A12 is 4 plus 4, which is equals to 8. Hence the value of A12 is minus 8. And next A13, 1 plus 3 is even, no need to multiply by minus, and the value of A13 is minus 6 minus 4, which is equals to minus 10. And now we need to find out the values of A21. So 2 plus 1 is odd, so we need to multiply by minus, and A21 is obtained by deleting the second row, first column. After deleting this second row, first column, remaining elements are minus 2, 3, minus 3, 2. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4, minus 3 into 3, minus 9, minus into minus, plus 9. So 9 minus 4, 5 into minus, so minus 5. And then A22, 2 plus 2 is even, no need to multiply by minus, so which is obtained by deleting the second row, second column. After deleting this second row, second column, remaining elements are 3, 3, 4, 2. So 3 into 2, 6, minus 4 into 3, 12. So 6 minus 12 is equals to minus 6. And now A23, 2 plus 3 is odd, we need to multiply by minus, and which is obtained by deleting the second row, third column. After deleting the second row, third column, remaining elements are 3, minus 2, 4, minus 3. So 3 into minus 3, minus 9, minus 4 into minus 2, minus 8, minus into minus, plus 8. So minus 8 plus, so minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1, minus into minus, plus 1. Now we need to find out the values of A31. 3 plus 1 is even, no need to multiply by minus, and which is obtained by deleting the third row, first column. After deleting this third row, first column, remaining elements are minus 2, 3, 1, minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1, 2. Minus 1 into 3, 3. So 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 1. And next, A32. 3 plus 2 is odd, we need to multiply by minus, and which is obtained by deleting the third row, second column. After deleting this third row, second column, remaining elements are 3, 3, 2, minus 1. So 3 into minus 1, minus 3. And 2 into 3, 6. Minus 3 minus 6, minus 9, minus into minus, plus 9. And then A33. So 3 plus 3 is even, no need to multiply by minus, and which is obtained by deleting the third row, third column. After deleting this third row, third column, remaining elements are 3, minus 2, 2, 1. So 3 into 1, 3. Minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus into minus, plus 4, which is equals to 3 plus 4 is 7. I hope all of you understand it. Therefore, adjoint of matrix A is equals to values of A11, A12, A13, minus 1, minus 8, minus 10, minus 1, minus 8, minus 10. Then the values of A21, A22, A23, minus 5, minus 6, 1, minus 5, minus 6, 1. And the values of A31, A32, A33, minus 1, 9, 7. Hence, A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A means 1 divided by minus 17 into adjoint of A minus 1 minus 8 minus 10 minus 5 minus 6 1 minus 1 9 7. Now we know that matrix X is equals to A inverse into matrix B. So which is equals to A inverse is 1 divided by minus 17 into matrix minus 1 minus 8 minus 10 and then minus 5 minus 6 1 and then minus 1 9 7 into matrix B is 8 1 4. So 8 1 4 which is equals to 1 divided by minus 17 into product of these two matrices. First row first column minus 1 into 8 minus 8 minus 5 into 1 minus 5 minus 1 into 4 minus 4 and then second row first column minus 8 into 8 minus 64 minus 6 into 1 minus 6 9 into 4 36 and then third row first column minus 10 into 8 minus 80 1 into 1 1 7 into 4. So which is equals to 1 divided by minus 17 minus 8 minus 5 minus 13 minus 13 minus 4 minus 17 minus 64 minus 6 minus 70 minus 70 plus 36 minus 34 28 plus 1 29 29 minus 80 minus 51. Therefore the unknown matrix X is XYZ. XYZ is equals to minus 17 divided by minus 17 1 minus 34 divided by minus 17 minus minus get cancelled 17 ones are 17 twos are 34. Next minus 51 divided by minus 17 minus minus cancel 17 threes are 51. Therefore the required values are x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2, z is equals to 3. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. So now the fourth question is solve the given system of equations by using matrix method. The first equation is x minus y plus 2z is equals to 1. Second equation is 2y minus 3z is equals to 1. And third equation is 3x minus 2y plus 4z is equals to 2. Let's start the solution. So given system of equations can be written as Ax is equals to b, where the matrix A is equals to 1 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 and the second row here coefficient of x is 0, so 0 2 minus 3 0 2 minus 3 and third row is 3 minus 2 4 3 minus 2 4 and the matrix B is one of the column matrix which consists of the elements 1 1 2 1 1 2 and X is a unknown column matrix which consists of the elements x y and z x y z. Now determinant of matrix A is equals to 1, -1, 2, 0, 2, -3, and 3, -2, 4. So plus, minus, plus, which is equals to 1 into, deleting first row, first column, 2 into 4, 8, minus 2 into -3, plus 6, minus into minus, plus 1, deleting first row, second column, 0 into 4, 0, minus 3 into -3, -9, minus into minus, plus 9, then plus 2 into, deleting first row, third column, 0 into -2, 0, minus 3 into 2 is 6. So which is equals to 1 into 8 minus 6 is 2, plus 1 into 0 plus 9 is 9, plus 2 into 0 minus 6 is minus 6. So which is equals to 1 into 2, 2, plus 1 into 9, 9, plus 2 into minus 6 is minus 12, plus into minus, minus 12, which is equals to 2 plus 9, 11, 11 minus 12 is minus 1, and minus 1 is not equal to 0, hence A inverse is exist. Therefore determinant of the matrix A is equals to -1. Now we need to find the matrix A inverse, and we know that A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A matrix. We already find the determinant value of the matrix A is equals to -1. Now we need to find the adjoint of A matrix. We know that adjoint of A matrix is equals to first column A11, A12, A13, and second column A21, A22, A23, and the third column is A31, A32, and A33. Now we need to find out the values of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and A31, A32, A33. So first, the value of A11, 1 plus 1 even, no need to multiply by minus, and which is obtained by deleting the first row and first column. It is equal to 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. And then A12, 1 plus 2 is odd, we need to multiply by minus, and which is obtained by deleting the first row, second column, and which is equals to 0 plus 9 is equals to what? 9. Hence the value of A12 is -9. And next A13, 1 plus 3 is even, no need to multiply by minus, and which is obtained by deleting the first row, third column, and which is equals to 0 minus 6 is what? -6. So next, the value of A21, 2 plus 1 is odd, we need to multiply by minus, and which is obtained by deleting the second row, first column. After deleting this second row, first column, remaining elements are -1, 2, -2, 4. So -1 into 4, -4, minus -2 into 2, -4, minus into minus, plus, which is equals to -4 plus 4 is 0. And next, the value of A22, 2 plus 2 is even, no need to multiply by minus, and which is obtained by deleting the second row, second column. After deleting this second row, second column, remaining elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 into 4, 4, minus 3 into 2, 6. So 4 minus 6 is equals to minus. And now A23, 2 plus 3 is odd, we need to multiply by minus, and which is obtained by deleting the second row, third column. After deleting this second row, third column, remaining elements are 1, -1, 3, -2. 1 into -2, minus 2, minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, minus into minus plus 3, which is equals to 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 into minus minus 1. So next the value of A31. 3 plus 1 is even, no need to multiply by minus, and which is obtained by deleting the third row first column. After deleting this third row first column, remaining elements minus 1, 2, 2, minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 3, 3. Minus 2 into 2, 4. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Next, the value of A32. 3 plus 2 is odd. We need to multiply by minus, and which is obtained by deleting the third row second column. After deleting this third row second column, remaining elements are 1, 2, 0, minus 3. 1 into minus 3, minus 3, minus 0 into 2 is 0. Minus 3 into minus plus 3. And next, A33. 3 plus 3 is even, no need to multiply by minus, and which is obtained by deleting the third row third column. After deleting this third row third column, remaining elements are 1, minus 1, 0, 2. 1 into 2, 2, minus 0 into minus 1 is 0, and which is equals to 2. Hence, required adjoint of matrix A is equals to the values of A11, A12, A13. 2, minus 9, minus 6. 2, minus 9, minus 6. And the values of A21, A22, A23. 0, minus 2, minus 1. 0, minus 2, minus 1. And the values of A31, A32, A33. Minus 1, 3, 2. Minus 1, 3, 2. And now A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A matrix. The determinant of A value is minus 1. So 1 divided by minus 1 into 2, minus 9, minus 6, 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, 3, 2. So now the required unknown matrix X is equals to what? A inverse into B matrix, which is equals to value of A inverse is 1 divided by minus 1 into the matrix 2, minus 9, minus 6, and 0, minus 2, minus 1, and minus 1, 3, 2. And the matrix B is 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. I hope all of you understand it. Which is equals to 1 divided by minus 1 into product of these two matrices. First row, first column. 2 into 1, 2. 0 into 1, 0. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Next, second row, first column. Minus 9 into 1, minus 9. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. 3 into 2, 6. And then third row, first column. Minus 6 into 1, minus 6. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 2 into 2, 4. Which is equals to 1 divided by minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 9 minus 2, minus 11. Minus 11 plus 6, minus 5. Minus 6 minus 1, minus 7. Minus 7 plus 4, minus 3. Hence the unknown matrix X is X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z is equals to 0 divided by minus 1 is 0. Minus 5 divided by minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. 5 divided by 1 is 5. and minus 3 divided by minus 1 is 3. Hence, the required values are x is equals to 0, y is equals to 5, and z is equals to 3. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note.